Good evening. I'm Jenny Day. Adonis has the night off. Well, the legal battles over the controversial pandemic policy that allows Border Patrol to expel migrants before they claim asylum continued today. Arizona is one of the states fighting back against the CDC, which in April set the expiration date for Title 42. Our Adam Klepp starts us off.
Migrants continue to cross into the Yuma sector, then be apprehended by Border Patrol. As on Friday, a case in federal court is being heard over whether Title 42 will end on May 23rd. More than 20 states are arguing in Louisiana federal court Friday that Title 42 should not end as the pandemic continues in the U.S.
So we don't see any basis to be removing the protections at the border if the president is going to maintain that it's still a threat inside the country.
Arizona is one of the states making this argument, even though Governor Doug Ducey ended the COVID-19 emergency declaration in the state on March 30th. But another reason states are pushing back on Title 42 is an expected influx of migrants at the border if Title 42 ends.
Biden's own DHS has said some 500,000 people will start flooding the border every month.
One of those migrants waiting for the policy to end is Santos Flores Hardon, who I met in Mexicali on Monday. He told me he's tried to cross into the U.S. 4 times, but now will wait until Title 42 ends to try and cross again.
They've told me they can't take asylum cases right now due to Title 42. Until that title is lifted is when they'll be able to grant us asylum again.
Arizona Senator Kyrsten Sinema questioned members of the Department of Homeland Security at hearings last week in D.C. and announced she recently met with Yuma Mayor Doug Nichols to discuss border security, saying, quote, Arizona communities like Yuma continue to pay the price for the federal government's failures at the border, and I appreciate Mayor Nichols' partnership in holding the administration accountable to keep Arizona communities safe and secure while ensuring migrants are treated fairly and humanely. Judge Robert Summerhays, hearing the arguments in federal court, said he would make a ruling before the May 23rd deadline. Reporting in Yuma, Adam Klepp, News 11.